Thinking about buying a smart cleaning gadget but not sure which one is worth your money? With so many vacuum cleaners, window cleaning robots, and carpet cleaners on the market, finding the right one can be a challenge. Some models focus on powerful suction, others offer advanced smart features, while some provide the best value for your budget. In today's video, we've researched product specifications, analyzed customer reviews, compared ratings, and evaluated real-world performance to bring you the top 5 best smart cleaning gadgets of 2026. Whether you're looking for a powerful cordless vacuum, a smart window cleaning robot, or an efficient carpet cleaner, this list has something for every home. Make sure you watch until the end, because our number one pick stands above the rest and could be the perfect cleaning solution you've been searching for. So, let's dive into the top 5 best smart cleaning gadgets of 2026. Item number 5. The ABIR VC205 is a powerful cordless handheld vacuum designed to make home cleaning effortless. With an impressive 27,000 PA suction power, smart dust detection, and automatic speed control, it adapts to different cleaning tasks for maximum efficiency. Its ultra-large touchscreen displays real-time cleaning information, while the advanced cyclonic filtration system and E13 HEPA filter help capture fine dust and allergens. With up to 40 minutes of battery life and 4 versatile brush attachments, including a unique bed cleaning brush, the ABIR VC205 is an excellent choice for cleaning carpets, floors, furniture, and every corner of your home. Item number 4. The ABIR WD9 is a smart window cleaning robot designed to deliver spotless glass with minimal effort. Featuring powerful 9,000 PA suction, advanced 4-way water spray technology, and intelligent laser navigation, it cleans windows efficiently while reducing streaks and dirt buildup. Its AI-powered chip supports multiple cleaning modes, including edge and spot cleaning, ensuring complete coverage. With APP and remote control operation, voice prompts, anti-fall protection, and wet and dry cleaning capabilities, the ABIR WD9 offers a safer, smarter, and more convenient way to keep your windows crystal clear. Item number 3. The Liectroux YW7 is an advanced window cleaning robot designed to keep your glass spotless with minimal effort. Featuring powerful suction, dual water spray nozzles, and intelligent navigation, it delivers efficient and streak-free cleaning on a variety of glass surfaces. Its ultra-slim 68mm body easily reaches tight spaces, while the low-noise brushless motor operates at less than 65 dB for a quieter cleaning experience. With app and remote control support, smart memory, and advanced anti-fall protection with UPS backup, the Liectroux YW7 offers a safe, convenient, and truly smart way to clean your windows. At number 2, we have the Rowney Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet Cleaner, a compact yet powerful machine designed for deep cleaning. With 12 kPa strong suction and 650 watts of cleaning power, it effectively removes stubborn dirt, stains, and spills from carpets, sofas, chairs, and car seats. Its lightweight portable design makes cleaning easy throughout your home. Featuring a 1.4L clean water tank and 1.2L dirty water tank, it handles larger cleaning tasks with less interruption. Durable, efficient, and easy to maintain, this cleaner is an excellent choice for keeping your living spaces fresh and spotless. Taking the number 1 spot is the ABIR WD8 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner, a smart solution for spotless glass cleaning. With powerful 3,000 PA suction, dual ultrasonic water spray, and intelligent edge detection, it cleans windows efficiently and safely. Control it easily through the mobile app or remote control while enjoying 4 smart cleaning modes for different situations. The built-in UPS protection system keeps it attached even during power outages for up to 40 minutes. Quiet, reliable, and equipped with microfiber cleaning pads, the ABIR WD8 makes window cleaning faster, safer, and completely effortless for modern homes.